To draw a set of pipes like this one, select the command single line set of pipes from the routing commands. The dialog box containing the set specifications open again. All the values of the set built in step 1 are still here, so you only have to click OK. Now start drawing this set of pipes, right-click and select Start Options. Each tube can start in a different way, but in our case all the tubes start in the same way, they are coming from above. Therefore you should check the box All Alike. The flow direction can be specified with a simple click. Click OK to confirm. Now click a starting point, then a second one. The tubes appear with their flow direction arrows and the chosen options. Carry on building the set of pipes simply by clicking further. Here we're going to add a descending option. Right click and choose option. Do not choose end option as it is a current option. Check the box All Alike and click on the descending tube diagram. Then all the tubes take on the same option. Click OK. You can carry on drawing the set of pipes. Now stop here and right click to select an end option that shows that the tubes continue through the floor. All the pipes of the set follow the same option. However, the direction of the fluid has to be adjusted. Click on the arrows to change them to the right direction. Click OK. This is an end option, so the command terminates.